You spend $2 today and don't even remember where it went. Like seriously, if I asked you right now, you'd be like, probably food. Maybe snacks, emotional support purchase. Who knows? It's just $2, too small to care. Too small to track, too small to respect. And that right there is exactly why it's powerful, because your brain ignores small numbers. But money doesn't. Now here's the funny part. If I told you to save $1,000, your brain would immediately panic. Yeah, no, not happening. Let me scroll Instagram instead. But if I say just $2 a day, your brain goes, okay, relax, we're not becoming Warren Buffett, we're just skipping one unnecessary thing. And suddenly, it feels doable. Now let's actually look at what you're ignoring. $2 a day is about $60 a month, which is already interesting, because that's the exact amount you casually lose without thinking. Now stretch that out. In 1 year, that's around $700. Now imagine you didn't just let it sit there doing nothing. Imagine it actually grows, even slowly. Now it's not just savings, it's momentum. And this is where people completely miss the point. It's not about the amount, it's about the habit, because right now you have a spending habit. Every day, money leaves your life without permission. This flips it. Now every day, money enters your future without drama. Same amount. Different direction. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people wait to start big. I'll save when I earn more. I'll invest when I have extra. I'll be responsible later. Later is a very dangerous financial plan, because when more money comes, your expenses magically grow with it. So if you can't control $2 today, you won't control $20 tomorrow. You'll just spend faster. That's how people end up earning $1,000, $2,000, and still feel broke. Because the problem was never the amount, it was the behavior. Now think about this. Two people. One ignores $2 a day because it's nothing. The other quietly saves it. At first, they look identical. Same lifestyle, same comfort. But give it time. One keeps restarting from zero. The other slowly builds something real, not flashy, not exciting, but stable. And stability is what most people are actually chasing, they just don't realize it. So yeah, $2 won't make you rich overnight. That's not the point. It proves something way more important, that you can control money instead of it controlling you. And the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't stay broke because they don't have money. They stay broke because they keep ignoring the small amounts that were quietly trying to save them.